Super busy inside, also at La Playa. I'll live to this in a video if you want to see the food in there. You see it's absolutely full inside with customers. Packages here, 89k. So as I was saying, this is probably my favourite restaurant here at the beach here at Duyung. It's a place called Lilla Pantai. Serves exceptional food. You can see it's very, very busy with customers here. So many customers in there. Good evening from Bali, Indonesia. So this evening I'm here in the Sanur area of Bali, and what I'm going to feature in this evening's video for you is a beach walking tour from Duyung Beach to Semawang Beach. So along this section of beach featured in tonight's video at Duyung Beach, this is what I would personally classify as the best area in Sanur for beachside restaurants. There's a big collection of beachside restaurants at Duyung Beach, all side by side, offering a fabulous array of food and drinks. And I'm just going to make my way slowly from Duyung Beach through to Semawang Beach, passing by the InterContinental resort and taking in Tapa and Studio de Pantai, and just give you a general idea what restaurants you can find here in this location here in Sanur. So without any further ado, let's go and get started and take a night stroll here in Sanur. Okay, so here's going to be the starting point for this evening's video. There's the Pantai Duyung, otherwise known as Duyung Beach sign. We're going to head in this direction first of all and just pick the 3 restaurants turning left, and then we're going to turn right. So this one on the corner here is a place called Limo Beach Cafe. There's a gelato ice cream here. Also some fresh bread, gluten-free. Available from there also. Some Indonesian dishes, 25k. I want to try that. And now we're going to make our way along. So we have an outside seating area here. There's a few Western tourists just at the front there. Gluten-free and sugar-free cake. Create your own smoothie bowls. There's the inside of the cafe. Just show you some of the menu here. And we continue on along the track. So next we have Seagrass by the beach. Has a 2-storey restaurant. This is an upstairs seating area also. Also have an area seating by the beach here. So an inside seating area. Some customers inside there. So what's on the boards, the happy hours, free Wi-Fi. Continue walking along. Here's one of the most popular places on the beach next. This is a place called La Playa Cafe. It's very popular, particularly in the evening time as we're out now. See, it's super busy there. Super busy inside, also at La Playa. Live music playing in the back there. It's also packed on this side as well. They've even extended the seating out to the side here because it's so busy. Okay, so I'm back at the Pantai Duyung sign now. We're going to turn right and head in that direction. So just on the corner here we have Soraya the Grills, Beachside.
Here's the ostrich.
The inside of the restaurant. Nobody sat out inside. We're all sat outside here on the beach. All the happy hours on the rack there. And you can see there's quite a few customers out here on the decked platform. Just coming up on the right hand side now is Coco Bistro. Very popular restaurant, this one. Featured this in a video if you want to see the food in there. You see it's absolutely full inside with customers. It's famous for its wood-fired pizza there. There's a name up above. And they also have a seating area here on the overlooking the ocean. Just show you some of the lunch packages here. 89k. Just continue walking along now. You can see there's a lot of customers in there. Also have the fresh seafood here. Lobsters, prawns. Ooh la la, they're very big prawns. Some of the fish there. That's squid. Something in the shells. Next along the line we have Bamboo Eatery and Bar here. Again, no one sat inside at Bamboo Eatery and Bar. But quite busy outside here. There's some of the happy hours. Special menu. Oh my gosh, the doggy's barking at me. You can see it's quite busy there at Bamboo. Just next on the right hand side here we have a place called Umba. Nobody sat inside, but it has a really nice seating area with the beautiful painting on the wall there. Just a few customers out at the front here at Umba. What's next along the line is the Bali Sanur. There's the beers here at the Bali. Seating area at the front. A few customers sat outside at the front here. It's like a little market or something set up there in the barramundi. Also have the Balinese cocktail here. There's a unique fishing boat counter there at the barramundi. Next we have the Izakaya Bali. This is also very busy here at Izakaya. Not so busy inside there. Some live music here. Very busy outside restaurant. Turning around there. Fresh mango juice, 28k, it's very cheap. It's the other side of the inside seating area. Just continue walking along now. So just here now, this is probably my favourite restaurant here on the beach. This is a place called Lilla Pantai. My gosh, keep getting recognised everywhere. So as I was saying, this is probably my favourite restaurant here at the beach here at Duyung. It's a place called Lilla Pantai. Serves exceptional food. You can see it's very, very busy with customers here. Very, very nice restaurant this. I've done a video on this if you want to see the food. An inside seating area also. Most people are sat outside, however there is quite a few customers as well inside there at Lilla Pantai. There's a bar area also. Nice beautiful dangling light fittings there over the tables and chairs. Just here we have the Nest Beachside spa. Fabulous spa this here at Duyung Beach. It's already closed that. Let's continue walking along the line. A place called Summer Essentials here. It's like a boutique style clothing shop, ladies and men's clothes. Just here, this is a place called Sail. It's new, used to be called the Lay on this. There's a very nice seating area here on the beach, quite a few customers also here. Nice seating out at the front of the restaurant also. Busy at this end also. So there's the name, Sail. Let's take you and show you the inside of Sail. The inside seating area, everyone's sat out at the front. Let's continue walking now. It's the name, Sail. So next, coming up on the right hand side, is going to be a place called Pier 8. A little bit darkness here because there's no restaurants here, but we just walk up now and just on the right here, this is Pier 8. This is attached to the InterContinental resort. So you have a little seating area out at the front here as well. There's your seating area here at the beach. A breezy brekkie. Seems very reasonably priced, that. So we'll just show you the name. It's Pier 8. It's the inside seating area at Pier 8. The happy hours. An InterContinental Bali Sanur ice cream thing there, or ice lab, Culinary Eden. Looks absolutely fabulous, that. Must try that. Wow. Coconut filled with ice cream. Here's the InterContinental restaurant dining area. Quite a few customers in there also, you can see. There's InterContinental lounges as well on the beach. Seating area in the back here. Coming up next on the left at the top here is going to be a place called Tapa. So the InterContinental is in the back there. There's the pathway leading into the InterContinental. And then this is another one of my favourite restaurants on the beach here. This is a place called Tapa. You can see this is so busy, packed as well, full of customers. Super busy in there. Serves great food, this. I featured this in a video. So many customers in there. They have live music as well. They're just taking a break in the back there. Live music every night. There's a name up above, Tapa Sanur. Some more seating up this end also. Super busy there at Tapa. Some quieter seating at this end here. Now we're going to head round the corner. Just going to turn the camera off for a moment till we get to the next place. The man's doing all of the green things on the floor there. Just next along the line we have the Nest Signature Spa. This is a new spa, it's already closed. It's just in the back there. Just walking along now, we're going to have the new place, Avocado Lovers. Keep meaning to try this place, or Avocado Lovers and Friends. If you're into avocado drinks, this is a great place. Some beanbag seating areas here. There's the menu. It's a little bit rocky. All different avocado drink mixes there. Also have some smoothie bowls and things as well. Nice little seating area inside also. Next we have a place called Studio de Pantai, and this is where we're going to end the video now. We've arrived at Pantai Semawang. Studio de Pantai, we'll finish here. This is just on the right hand side here. Also an outside seating area. These also have live music as well. They're just starting now. We've just maybe had a break with the shisha. So the music's just starting up now, we can hear there. And here's the inside of Studio de Pantai. Okay, so that concludes this evening's video, my night stroll along the beach here in Sanur from Pantai Duyung or Duyung Beach all the way through to Semawang Beach. So as you've seen with the camera in tonight's video, you've got a fabulous collection of beachside restaurants here. You've also got some entertainment available. Pantai Duyung for me is the best area in Sanur for if you're looking for the biggest collection of beachside restaurants. You also had Tapa and Studio de Pantai heading up towards Semawang Beach, two other great restaurants. All in all, this is just a really great place to come if you're looking for fine dining during an evening time. So on that note, hopefully you've enjoyed this evening's video. Hopefully some of you find this video useful and maybe want to pay some of the places a visit featured in tonight's video, and I shall say bye for now.